PhotoTravel AI has just been released, and if you're looking to take your travel photos to the next level using cutting-edge artificial intelligence, you're going to want to stick around. In this review, I'm going to share 7 crucial things you need to know about this powerful new AI tool that promises to transform the way you create travel content. Whether you're a professional content creator or just someone looking to spice up your vacation photos, this tool is a game changer. First off, PhotoTravel AI is a software designed to help you create stunning travel imagery with minimal effort. Using AI, it analyzes your photos and applies various enhancements automatically. It's almost like having a professional editor right at your fingertips, but the real magic is in how PhotoTravel AI takes ordinary travel photos and turns them into visually captivating works of art instantly. One of the standout features of this software is its ability to adapt to any photo. It doesn't matter if you're working with a sunset, a cityscape, or a nature shot. PhotoTravel AI applies the right filters and adjustments based on the content. The AI scans the scene, understands the context, and enhances the colors, lighting, and contrast to make the most of your images. What's even better? You can try PhotoTravel AI completely free through the first link in the description below. Yes, you heard that right. No commitment, just free access to this next-gen AI tool. It's a great way to see if it's right for you, and trust me, you won't want to miss out on this opportunity. Let's talk about speed. In the world of content creation, time is everything. PhotoTravel AI allows you to process images quickly without compromising quality. The AI handles the heavy lifting, leaving you more time to focus on the creative side of things. Whether you're working with hundreds of photos from a recent trip or just a handful, this software can optimize them in minutes. Another benefit of PhotoTravel AI is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a photo editing expert to use it. The layout is intuitive, and all the important tools are right where you need them. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to navigate the platform and start enhancing your travel photos right away. And then there's the AI's automatic style recommendation. This is huge for anyone who's ever struggled with editing to match a consistent aesthetic. PhotoTravel AI takes the guesswork out of the equation by analyzing your existing photos and suggesting edits that complement your style. This means your entire travel album will have a cohesive professional look without hours of tweaking. Now, I know some of you might be skeptical about AI handling your photos. Can it really replace a human editor? Well, from my experience, PhotoTravel AI does an impressive job of preserving the natural feel of your images. It enhances the colors, sharpens details, and even adjusts exposure without overdoing it. The results look like they've been professionally edited, but with that authentic, personal touch that makes your photos stand out. Lastly, PhotoTravel AI integrates with social media platforms, so you can share your enhanced images directly from the software. This integration streamlines your workflow, allowing you to go from editing to posting in a matter of clicks. If you're a content creator looking to publish on Instagram or travel blogs, this feature is a massive time saver. So, what's the takeaway here? If you want to revolutionize the way you approach travel photography with AI-powered editing, PhotoTravel AI is absolutely worth trying out. It saves you time, offers a professional level finish, and makes it easier to enhance your photos in just a few clicks. Don't just take my word for it, give it a try yourself using the link below. If you're interested in exploring more top-tier AI tools, I've included my recommended AI software in the description. After testing thousands of AI programs, I've narrowed it down to the best options for content creators like you. Give them a try for free and see which ones work best for you. Don't miss out on these game-changing tools.